So hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel. This time around, I'm going to go through. I'm going to take 20 minutes of your time to go through what happened last week. As a full recap on how I would have traded, and that means in a demo account, in a paper trading account. Um, as you can see, this is gold. You gold spot US dollar. That is 1 ounce of gold in USD, and the market right now is closed, and it closed at 50.20 point 600. That's where the price closed at, because right now is at 5:47 a.m. in New York time, but in my time, that is in Nairobi, it's 12:47 p.m. Once again, I'm your guy Lucid Plug, and I am not a financial advisor. I am not a mentor to nobody. I am just here guiding my brother on how he should take his trades and on how he will become a better trader every day. Remember, we become better every day by learning. And when we learn, we accept who we are as we are, and we get to change. Remember that. If we accept ourselves as we are and we understand that we're having some complications, we get to change. Okay. I realize that this thing is moving, and intraday things are very, very, very good, and you can understand what's happening. Okay. So my interest when we opened this week, the week that opened Monday 9th March 2026, to when it closed on Friday 13th March 2026. When we opened, my area of interest was this here. This minor buy side liquidity here. I was gonna wanna see how price would have reacted after taking out that. Remember, it's also a high area of interest because I talked about this CB. I already have these videos out there, okay? Um, and I wanted to see how these candlesticks close uh, will influence how price will deliver on Thursday, and Friday, because we hit our target on Tuesday. Okay, so before we hit that target, we bullish. When we hit the target, we switch, we selling. Okay, we are shorts. Um, so you can see beautiful price delivery on Thursday and on Friday. Not quite something on Wednesday, but we have Thursday and Friday. So what I want to do right here is go through the trades on Thursday and Friday and show you how the algorithm is using levels to deliver and to show where it's going. I am also here documenting what I am doing because I am also backtesting with you guys, because the market right now is closed. I am not live trading. Is that understood? Thank you. Um, I said one thing like the same thing ICT talked about. If he promised that when he understood what he was doing in the markets, he will eventually come out here and share, so that other people don't have to go through the same pain that he went through. So I also would not like to see nobody go through the same pain that I went through when I was trying to figure out what was happening in the markets, and when I was trying to figure out who I was. Because right now, we are growing every day, and we are not the same as yesterday. That's what we should accept every single day. That is what should be in our minds. That should not get off our minds. So I'll quickly pull out the PD arrays. my map is gonna be a little dirty, but you're gonna understand. We're gonna go through everything together. Okay. So we have this here, sell side imbalance here. It's an FVG, but it's a downside FVG. So what is that called? A CB, a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, because there's lacking buy side pressure. No pressure. There's lacking buy side delivery. Okay, and so what you want to confirm is when the market uh, retests or reprices this level, how will it reprise it? Will it reprise by showing that it's strongly bullish, and how is that? By closing and but by quickly ripping through this CB and using it as an IFVG. That's why I have it there. I also have it graded in my feed levels here. So my feed levels are there. See them there. You can take a screenshot. Okay, good. Um, I also have other levels that we're gonna go through. I have these here, level here. This is the level between these liquidity pool and these liquidity pool. Why do I say that? These are two um, PD arrays. I wanna grade in between them and understand how price is gonna use that range. So I have it in levels instead of a range. Okay, so same levels in my feed. See that? Take a screenshot. It's the same. I'm simply doing the same thing. So the midpoint, the point 0.5 level here, it's called this one here. It's called the event horizon. Okay, the event horizon. So we take out that buy side liquidity candlesticks on Wednesday, on Tuesday, and we close below this level of the minor buy side liquidity. And on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we deliver lower. So I'm gonna wanna see how the market use these on Wednesday, the event horizon, and on Thursday, you see where it opened, just below the BC. Here, I have a BC here. Okay, see this level here, buy side imbalance and side inefficiency. I have it there. The market used it as an IFBG to deliver lower. So we're gonna wanna have that in our chat. Okay, I also have this buy side imbalance and side inefficiency here. Um, do you notice how I am including this volume imbalance here and this here? And here, this volume imbalances here, I'm including that because those are levels, and those levels are very, very important to the tick. I don't play with that. I don't play with levels. Okay. So immediately our level is hit here after the turtle soup here. We're gonna wanna look for sell side delivery. Okay. So quickly switch to the 4 hour time frame. We are looking for a narrative to wanna deliver lower in those 3 days: Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Tuesday, this buy side hit that turtle soup. Remember that? The event horizon. See how price use that. This one here, the event horizon. Midpoint. I want you to observe something. Candle close, candle closure. Candle closure simply tells you where the market is gonna deliver to. See how this candle closes? Do you see? It's even. It's like it afraid to close, just close to the consequent encroachment. You don't want to touch it. The consequent encroachment, I made the midpoint of this CB. See that? Beautiful. We're gonna want to use that. So on Wednesday, we see that delivery there. Quite nothing happened there. On Friday, on Thursday, quite a good delivery here. See that? And on Friday, quite a good delivery. I know it looks insane, but on the lower time frame, you're going to come to understand what I am saying. So, 1 hour time frame, so that we build up the narrative better. This is what I expect you to do. Okay, what I am doing is what I expect you to do. I want to show you all of these levels so that you come to understand how price is using these levels and how price will be moved. See that close, that title two? I have this level here. This is a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. And we're gonna want to see price using that as an IFVG if we don't want to deliver higher. And this is the case here. We also have this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. I have not pointed it out. Okay? Ha, thank you. Thank you so much. That's in the Asian session that this is happening. Remember, gold is also delivering like heavily on the Asian sessions, but not all of them. Okay? Um we see gold deliver lower, uh event horizon candlesticks just closing and closing just below this here. Consequent the consequent encroachment of that this event horizon. And on Thursday, we see this delivery here. So what I wanted you to look at on the 1 hour time frame right now, what I have is this here. Okay, this is here. You can get to use all of these levels because if I continue pointing them out, the main thing is to just wanna see how price is using all of these levels here to your advantage. Your advantage is the bias. Okay, the narrative of building that's the narrative building where you're gonna want to see price deliver to. So in this case, lower. I want to switch to 15 minutes time frame quickly because I know we're gone. We have 8 minutes to go. I'm going good. I'm going good. I don't know if you're getting what I'm doing here. Remember, I said even when price is delivering, it's using time. Okay, price is delivering using time. That's algorithmic time, price and time delivery. Okay, so we're gonna wanna see price delivering as from 7 a.m. and to 4:59 during the day, the New York day, the whole day. I am also looking at the Asian session, but in terms of time. So what time? 7 to 10. That's the like that's this thing is engineered through time. Okay. So remember that we have this 1 hour CB. So price is quickly pushed through here in the PM session, New York PM session. You can see that have this 15 minutes profession block means it has a volume imbalance there and there. There's an CB downside fair value gap. Remember we said that even when you're choosing these order blocks and these um areas of interest, you have to use time. If you're not using time, you're gonna be lost. Okay, so we have this order block here. Beautiful, beautiful, huh? Do you see how these candlesticks are closing? Do you observe that? Beautiful. What time is that? The exact time that will be translated as to the time of the silver bullet in the morning. That's probably random. Okay, that's probably random. You can use this video raise here. Use here. and we see price delivering lower. On Wednesday in the AM session, we do not see so much. Remember, we looked at that daily time frame candlestick and it didn't really do much, but it is still respecting what is happening overally, and that is delivering lower. Okay, see this here, see this here. I have it pointed out. I have it. So this is the trade I wanted to go through. It's in, you see price you see price being pushed lower, and during the Asian session we have these all of these price delivery here, this one here. So I have this liquidity here, minus sell side liquidity. I'm pointing it out. It's in my head. It's in my head. I know price might deliver there. So I'm looking for a narrative to build up on where price might deliver. So I have this 15-minute CB, so set imbalance by side inefficiency. We have this minor buy side rate, it's a Tatusu. See that price delivery there? This is, we have this rate of the London session. See how the candlesticks are respecting that. Okay, we have this sell side imbalance or the block, very short block. You see that? We have this level here, the event horizon. The event horizon, we have the 0.875 level here. Beautiful. Price. See that? See that field there? If you're not using these levels to your advantage, you are going to lose it. And quickly on Friday, before I jump into the 5 minutes time frame, I have this level here. I have this level here. See that? I have this level here. Remember, I have this 4 hour reclaim CV. See that beautiful? Whips through it, and it's gonna use it to deliver lower. See that? Remember these in blue? This is the Monday's candlesticks week, 4 hour week here. See that price use that. So do you see these here? Do you see what I'm saying here? Beautiful. How do you add to positions when the market has gone? Levels. These levels here. See these other block here? These levels here. You can pause your video. So I quickly want to go through the 1 minute time frame, and I also want to tell you that one day everything will fall in line, and you're going to understand these things better, and you're going to understand that it takes time, so you're not gonna want to rush yourself. I wanted also to talk about Nasdaq, so I'll talk about it later. Do you see this? At randomly 9:10 a.m. in the morning New York session on Thursday, we have this. What would you want to do? Buy. What the fuck are you buying? Why are you buying it? Why are you buying it in the first place? See that? Beautiful. Oh my god. Other block is here. Beautiful. Something beautiful. See that? This is getting even this is getting better when we are understanding what we're doing. And when you understand that even when you miss your entries, you can still uh get them when you have these levels in your charts. Everything will be easier. Okay? Everything